It is Thursday, July 27th. And like the rest of the world and wherever you are, I'm sure it is H-O-T hot. Wow, crazy. You know that I love the company Gleener. It's a woman-owned, it's a mother-daughter situation. It is out of Canada, and the Gleener is the depiller that I have. It's the dryer balls, it's the small travel Gleener, and it's the alpaca my bag and the wet dry bags, all of that stuff. I like them all. Well, this is their latest promotional product, and it is the Super Eco Cloth. And let me read to you what it says here. Tough on mess, gentle on the planet. Super thirsty, super eco-friendly, and super economical. Gleener's Super Eco Cloths are a sustainable alternative to paper towels, sponges, and dishcloths. Use your Super Eco Cloth for a streak-free clean in the kitchen, bathroom, or on glass. Stainless steel, granite, indoor, outdoor furniture for pet messes, and even for the car. If it's dirty, this cleans it. Naturally antibacterial and quick drying. Simply rinse, dry, and reuse up to 15,000 times. Then toss it in the compost bin. For a deep clean, run through the dishwasher and then hang or lay flat to dry. What? You can use it over and over and over again. It is equal to, let me just say it, said it somewhere, replaces 30,000 sheets of paper towel. What? Amazing. All right, so each little pack has two in it, two different patterns. They're very absorbent. I have them in my kitchen. I love them. So the 2-pack is only $16, and it is amazing. So the first one is the bee and the flower. All right? Love it. What a great gift, right? Absorbs 15 times its weight. Durable, reusable, biodegradable. Love it. All right, that's the bumblebee with the flowers in the blue. Then we have the bumblebee with the honey pot. All right, these are the two. Can you see it's not very thick? It's very absorbent. They are awesome. I love to use them in the kitchen as a dish rag. This one is the lemon limes and then the gray on the second one. And the last is the tea and flowering pot and then the flowers. So those are the patterns. You get 2 for $16, and I love it. So if you want it, call us 910-692-3528, and we will send them out in the mail. It will be awesome. Or come in and buy them as gifts for stocking stuffers, Christmas, birthdays. They're flat and they don't break. You could put them in an envelope and mail them to somebody as a thoughtful gift. Come on, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. The Super Eco Cloth by Gleener. Love it.
I don't know that one.
Echo. She was like, I don't know that one.
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
She wants to repeat myself to find out what song I want her to play. Oh, it's always good when you have company in the room and you don't even know that they're there, right? Oh, she found a song. Echo off. Okay. I'm afraid to talk now. All right. Oh, anyway, tough when you have to compete with a digital device, right? All right. I will see you tomorrow. Try and stay cool.